Hello Capricorn, how are you doing? This is your July money career reading. Okay, as we all know, Mercury is in retrograde and it's coming out of retrograde on 13th July. So till then, just go slow with your money dealings, your contract papers, and any document, cross check, double check. It's going to help. Also, once the retrograde is over, there will be clarity in situation, and you will get a clearer picture of your situation. Maybe it's a job or money situation, whatever it is. So let's see what the card. Okay, this card is like repeating. Seven of Swords, Five of Cups, Three of Cups, Six of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and one more, Nine of Cups. So Capricorn, recent disappointments will be a thing of past now for you. This is the disappointments that you have gone through in your recent past. So this will be a thing of past now. You just have come out, or you just come out of that, or you're just coming out in the initial part of July. So no more disappointments, no more the Seven of Swords is like talking about a deceit or a fallout, or losses, about job loss or anything, like whatever was disappointing, sad situation. It's a thing of past. And also I feel you could now know that there was a deceit, who did it, how it happened. Things would come to light. Now with this Five of Cups, still we have that although these you had a lot of losses, Capricorn, in your recent past, and maybe you have lost out your money, or there has been pay cuts, and so there are times when you just get emotionally into that phase, still sometimes thinking that okay, I have so much was there and I had good times before. I mean before the COVID-19 thing. Things changed after that. Economically it has been a bad situation for all of us. So you are into that self-pity mode sometimes, sad. There are times every person goes through these moods, but all these things are becoming July, you're gonna end this in the first half of July itself, no more. Then we have the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is like an energy, it's a happy energy. I mean maybe you are connecting to your ex-colleagues, ex-bosses, ex-partners, and they are helping you with the job or a partnership. So beautiful energy. There is something new coming, which maybe you have done it in your past and you're getting the results now. So the Six of Cups talks about this. It's about reconnecting to your past. Maybe it was your seeds that you sowed, or maybe your ex-colleagues coming in retrograde times. Usually this comes till Mercury retrograde. They can help you, or they are already helping you. It's a nice energy, and you are moving forward with a certain situation, maybe job, money, whatever it is. Now Three of Cups. Here I think for some of you who have got job offers or partnership going through, there are celebrations. Maybe you are celebrating the partnership, or you are celebrating the job offer that you got through, which has come, and you are releasing those toxic energies and the negative energies that we have seen previously. By mid-July you are just out of those energies. There is a fruitful situation which is coming now, and that is what I feel for you, Capricorn. Three of Pentacles. So as a Capricorn, you're still working hard. You're enhancing your skills. You're getting more information on the maybe you you have changed your profession. So you are learning new skills for some of you. For some of you who already are in the same field, enhancing it according to times, things have gone online, and maybe you are marketing yourself with online, because virtually you are doing meetings to endorse your products, or you are looking for jobs. So it's basically enhancing your skills, and you're working hard towards it. It's not only about the financial thing. You want to master that art, master the skill. So as a Capricorn, this is always true for most of us, and it's a beautiful card. This skill development not only provides you with financial stability and emotional satisfaction too, that you are known as the master of that craft, or you are the skilled artist. So depends on your situation. So it's basically card of putting so much effort and into work. Now, Nine of Pentacles. So you are in that independent, the second part of July. You have new ideas to bring money, and you are feeling great, you are feeling optimistic, you are feeling happy. Here I feel you are thinking, you are going towards that situation, fruitful situation, wherein you have everything monetarily, you are satisfied, you feel independent. From the Seven of Cups or Five of Cups energy, like where the people have just made empty promises to you and not fulfill, people taking advantage of you, to you coming to this Nine of Cups energy, wherein you are independent and you are in your power, and you want to say now you are looking for your own happiness. Usually it's like Capricorn or some other signs, they do not know how to say no. So in this case, now you are giving importance to your own happiness, Capricorn, rather than focusing on everybody all the time. And you are coming out of a very toxic situation from the first initial to a very happy situation in July end. Also some of you getting some chunk of money from your job, or an investment, or stock market. Definitely some of you are earning from stock market. So it's a good reading for Capricorn. I can see this month you are feeling lighter than before, and also I feel that there are for women or for people who are doing home business, it will be a better phase, with personal home product, personal care, and dealing with women, products for women, or done or by women, will do well, more. According to me, I get that feeling that you will have more clients, and the business will grow, Capricorn. So this is it. Definitely a good card for Capricorn. So I'll just pull out one more card for the message from the universe. And Five of Swords. Yes, so Five of Swords is just, they are just asking you, is just telling you that come out of those energies, that conflicting situations, there were disappointments. You have to come out of this chaos and conflicting situations that were previously there, and you have to calm yourself and stay focused, and things will work out for you. So you have to leave this chaos and conflict, and because there were people around you who were taking advantage of you, who were always they have backstabbed you, they have cheated you. So just leave those situations and move forward with optimism renewed, and say no, like to people who have been into always trying to use you. So this is what I get, Capricorn. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in August reading. Thank you.